many people feel that they pay way too much taxes here in Germany, myself included, by the way. I really hate I hate it so much, words can't describe it. And at the same time, interest rates have been near zero over the last couple of years. Now you get a little bit, but still quite less, especially given that inflation is on a record high. So the question that we get asked a lot is, how can one invest with a higher interest rate than zero and get tax benefits at the same time to lower their tax bill?
I mean, what I always say is all taxes which you saved, you paid for it upfront. So there is no tax reduction for nothing, right? So you have to invest in order to get the deduction. So that's the point. So therefore, it's very important to decide, does the investment makes economical sense for me, right? And only if the answer is yes, then I would invest and save taxes. Not invest just in order to save taxes. By the way, there were these models in Germany. They were basically not accepted by the German authorities because they said the only reason of the investment is save taxes, and that's not accepted.
Okay.
Right? And a lot of these investments they also went bankrupt, and so again, decisive is the economical purpose. Does it make sense? So, and there are basically two investments where I would say, yeah, it does make sense because you build up property or income for the future, and that one is pensions, and the second one is investing into real estate, right? But also with these ones, you have to be careful in what kind of product you invest, right? So, and
if people have further tax questions, Dirk, how can you help?
I mean, of course, you have to contact me, right? And then basically what I do is I conduct a Zoom meeting for a quarter of an hour to get to know the person, the requirements and the topic and the expectations. And then tax advice has a lot to do with trust, right? So both parties, so you and I have to say, okay, we can work together, right? It does fit, right? And I have the trust in that person, right? And then based then on the information I get from the interview, then I can basically talk about the process, how it works, and of course also about the fees. What does it cost?